Well, hello and welcome to the Lefty Chef. Tonight we are making some lamb chops with a Caribbean spice soy glaze. It's gonna be quick, effective, and delicious. Let's go!
Mon ami, faut que tu saches que dans la vie, t'auras deux choix. Aller à gauche ou à droite, dépend de
Alright,
toi.
so I have a nice fresh
N'écoute pas tout ce que l'homme il te dit, c'est possible
rack
qu'il
of
te
lamb
manque.
here. I'm going to pat dry
Ce qui
it,
vient du reste, laisse dans les mains du grand Dieu.
which is something you should always do and never skip. And now I'm going to cut it and end up with 3, 6, 8 pieces. Okay, all right. Okay, so, well, I was wrong. It's 9 pieces, actually. All right. Next, we're gonna do is sprinkle some salt and pepper on both sides. Now this way. Now we're gonna pan sear it.
So let's heat up the pan. I wanted to make it a little more interesting, so I added some cloves and a star anise on a hot pan before adding some butter, which I'm gonna melt all together. So the butter is already gonna have some flavor before I start pan searing my lamb chops. Here you go. You heat up the butter, let it melt nice and smooth. Get it all mixed up with the star anise and the cloves so you get a nice flavor before you add your lamb chops. So here go my lamb chops. I want to pan sear these for 5 to 6 minutes on each side. So now I got to think about a side, so I just grabbed a couple potatoes. I am going to probably make some mashed potatoes.
All right. I already boiled my potatoes and dried them off. I boiled them with the skin on. Of course, you want to make sure you thoroughly clean your potatoes. Scrub them under hot water. And I'm keeping the skin because I want to use it just for garnishing at the end. Alright, so I'm going to unpeel my potatoes. So we can mash them. Mind you, you can leave the skin on if you want to make some old-fashioned style mashed potatoes. I prefer to remove them. Right now, I'm about to scrape them. Sometimes I'll use a masher, sometimes I'll use a blender, and sometimes I'll use a grater. It's actually my favorite way. I think it's pretty cool.
So you know there's going to be some extra oil from the lamb chops, so I'm going to get rid of some of it, and then I'm going to build my glaze from the same fat because we have all that flavor going on, right? Okay, so I'm going to start by sauteing my shallots in that seasoned pan. Nice and smooth until it gets translucent. And then I'll build my glaze up from there. So for my glaze, I'm gonna use some soy sauce that I previously mixed with ginger, cloves, pepper, a little bit of lemon juice, some honey, mix it up real nice. And then I'm gonna pour that into my translucent onions. Alright, so once you have that going, you just stir it up real nice and you just let it do its thing. Then I'm gonna put a dash of my all-purpose seasoning, Lefty Chef seasoning, of course. You can find it in the link, and you are welcome to order yours. And then I added a little bit of my infused oil, which you can find on the link as well. A little bit of sea salt, and then I'll put it to rest. Okay, let's get ready to plate.
Alright, so now I have my sauce ready. I have my lamb, and I'm just going to dab it back and forth. I'm going to do one piece, and then another. Potato skins from earlier. Just put it in the oven on the broiler for 5 minutes on 500. I'm just cupping the mashed potatoes with them for it extra crisp. And there you have it. Pan-seared lamb chops with Caribbean spiced soy glaze, and my choice of starch and vegetable today was mashed potatoes and grilled asparagus. Enjoy!
Mon ami, faut que tu saches que dans la vie, t'auras deux choix. Aller à gauche ou à droite dépend de toi. N'écoute pas tout ce que l'homme il te dit, c'est possible qu'il te mente. Fais ta life et en ce qui vient du reste, laisse dans les mains du grand Dieu. C'était pas sur moi qu'elles avaient parié. Toutes ces personnes-là, elles avaient pas idée. Le navire plein de fois a failli chavirer. Tout et j'ai fini par y arriver.
LeftyChef.com